Welcome to the GMT.
My people, I welcome una to this our news channel. Make una do what always dey follow us, like, share and subscribe so that una go dey know wetin dey happen for the country. On today news, the governor of Lagos State don come outside to thank the president of Nigeria. Say he do well because for Lagos he dey see e handwork. Say he don turn Lagos to small abroad. Say right from time now he carry Lagos matter for head. He thank am well on behalf of other leaders wey dey under am. My people, I wan play una the video make una hear wetin this man get to talk and how he take rain praises and thanks to the president of this country, Nigeria. Make una watch this video reach the end.
An indigene as the son of the state, and we're indeed happy. Mr. President, this afternoon, your first constituencies are here to thank you, to wish you the very, very best of the season. This is your first Yuletide season as the president of our great country. And so, they've asked, and you've graciously accepted, that they come here to receive you, to thank you, to congratulate you, and to wish you well. Here this afternoon is a powerful delegation of all our traditional institutions are seated. We also have the entire National Assembly that are representing Lagos. They are here. We have the Lagos State House of Assembly. They are here. We have the Lagos State Cabinet. They are here. We have all the 57 local government. They are here. These are your very first. These are your best in class. These are your people that have come here to speak with you as stakeholders in your government. We want to thank you once again. We want to thank you for the furthering role, for the leadership role, for what you have begun in our country. We know that we're going through a difficult time, and we've said so, it's not peculiar to our country. There's been global challenges everywhere. There's been global shake-up everywhere. There's been problems in different parts of the world. But you came and you hit the ground running from the very first day. And you have not looked back. You have shown the audacity of hope. You have shown the audacity of your belief, of your resolve to take Nigeria to another level. And you said so, that indeed Nigeria could be best analyzed as somebody that is entering an aircraft, and once the aircraft is taking off and has gone into a level, there are times in which you see turbulence. You see that the weather will change. The pilot will come on board and say that there's nothing for you to be afraid of. It will just be a little storm and it will stabilize. We are beginning to see the storm, but you have assured us that after the storm, you will land us very, very well. These your class are convinced that you are the right man for the job today, and we know that indeed you will land this country very well. And so we're solidly behind you. We're proud of the reforms that you have started. We're proud of the things that you are doing in this country. We're proud of representing this nation at the international engagement, and you are doing it so effortlessly. I will not take your time, Mr. President. I know how difficult and how time you are. But because I have the power of the mind, and they said I should, on behalf of the State Executive Council, because they will not have the opportunity to speak again, let me thank you on behalf of the 43 members on the State Executive Council for toying, for shaping us, for working with us, for directing us, and for always ensuring that that legacy, that blueprint that you worked on, that I was privileged to have worked on with you over 20 years ago, that is still a living document that we're working with. It's still a life document that will continue to ventilate and speak to and realize the yearnings of Lagosians. Just to mention, early this month, one of your setup at that time, Lamata was 20 years on the 5th of December. This was a creation of you 20 years ago. Lamata has moved beyond just being a Lagos story. It has moved beyond an African story. Lamata is a worldwide story. Lamata is now referenced as one of the foremost urban transportation infrastructure in the world. And these are just a snipe of your creation in Lagos. Several we can talk about. Is it LASMA? Is it LOMA? Is it drain docks that you have created for us and will continue to work with? And so on behalf of the class of the EXO that we have now, we want to thank you for your leadership, because we still have a working document that you have bequeathed to us.
DJ